It's that time of year again. For Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I'm going to be giving away the biggest ever collection of bonus content with my courses, including a brand spanking new animation workshop. I've got 3 courses now, a beginner and advanced motion course with everything you need to know about animation, and a new design course, Design Breakthrough, Art for Motion, that the students are going absolutely wild for. I also have bundles of these courses in every combination where you'll save 20% off everything. And if you enroll in any of them, you will get a mountain of bonus content. On top of the actual courses, a full 6-hour Animating Transitions Workshop with a bunch of additional designs for you to add more projects to your portfolio, all designed by the best in the biz, as well as specific bonuses for each course, additional assignments, full project breakdowns, 3 additional After Effects project files, my essential texture pack, and a brand new workshop I'm putting together for my absolute favorite thing, looping animations, and morphing animations too. I can't resist. I've commissioned the incredible James Boorman to create these stunning designs for it, and you'll see every step of me animating them, creating complex, seamless looping animations and some very fun morphs as well. And you'll have access to that, which I'm releasing in December. So to get all of that, enroll now at benmarriott.com. Offer ends December 8th. Let's have some fun.